So auxiliary lights with no drills, no holes, and quick release. This is how the light stay on the car with the help of a quick release plate for the photo equipment and an 80 kilograms magnet. So it's a pretty strong magnet, but it's not that strong when you put it on the on this metal plate here, because it's very thin. And here it is how it looks without the light. So this thing will stay on the car all the time. So you aim the lights once, and then every time when you put the lights on, they are correctly calibrated. So it's very easy and very fast. So let's say that the night has come and you want to put the lights on. Let's see if I can change a little bit like this here. This is all. And you secure it in place. That's all. And you just have to connect the cables. That's all. This is just a cover. Let's see. This is the lights. So when you want to take off the lights, you just take it off. That's it. You can also mount the light directly onto the magnet, but then you'll have to have two marks, one here and maybe one here. So every time when you put the lights on the car, so you put it on the same place every time. This is if you don't want to have anything on your car. Oh, let's put it again. And secure it in place. And when you want to take it off, so the wires to the switch button are coming. Let's see if we can see them. Yeah, they're here. Like this, all the way here. Well, I'm sure you can work it a little bit better than me. They come inside. Let's see. Come inside here. They go down here, and the button. Oh, the sign is pretty strong, so the button is right here. So no holes, easy to remove everything, and those lights are pretty strong.